I'm Danny Potter, I'm the head chef for the QE2 Conference Centre in Westminster. This is the only kitchen we have to serve up 3,500 covers a day, anything from canapes to a bulk food lunch to 5-course dinner in the evening. We use the Freemans for cooking everything from chips to stocks to pressure cooking meats and pulses to slow braising. We use it as a water bath, a sous vide. We do a lot of cooking of stocks in them. We can cook our stocks in 4 hours as opposed to 8 or 9 hours, and we can get the reboil done. They're so efficient that by the time you've roasted the bones off, you can also caramelise your mirepoix, and it will be stocked and under pressure within 30 minutes. The multi-functionality of it meant that we didn't have to buy a lot of water baths or a lot of fryers. We bought 4 Freemans, and it gives us the ability to swap food all the way through the day. And in turn it means that with the pressure cooking facilities, we can go out to the guys finish earlier, much easier tool to use. It's still touchscreen, it's self-explanatory. The Freemans are such a versatile piece of equipment, they make life a lot easier. The team are much happier using them, finish quicker, everything is done to the same standard all the time. Makes it a better product, so the customer wins at the end of the day.